Think your complex restorative procedures can't be simplified? Think again. Introducing the new iTero Lumina scanner. It provides the superior accuracy and simplicity you need to achieve exceptional restorative outcomes effortlessly across all procedures, from single-unit crowns and bridges to implants, full arch rehabilitation, and removable prosthetics. Powered by our industry-defining iTero Multi-Direct Capture technology, the iTero Lumina scanner lets you scan accurately twice as fast, with a 3 times larger field of view, for higher visualization quality with less effort. Handling simple to complex cases quickly, with superior clinical accuracy for high confidence in your results, with a predictable, first-time restoration fit. It's also designed to achieve remarkable workflow efficiency by scanning your cases in a single pass and simplified in-practice 3D printing with iTero Design Suite. Experience an all-in-one device that offers endless possibilities and give your patients a superior experience for exceptional care that helps build trust and confidence. Think you can't simplify your restorative procedures? Think again. The new iTero Lumina intraoral scanner, redefining simplicity with the wave of a wand.